Right, so get the melted butter in there, and I get all the chopped up onions, garlic, ginger and chilli into there, so I'm going to get them nicely coated. About half of it made it there, I think. Right. And by the grace of the gods, it was there. Right. I'll just separate them up there. That's it. Okay, then I'm going to put in the spices. Then I'm going to put in, coat it again. Make sure it all fries nicely on the inside. You can see it starting to colour. And I've just mixed in all the flours. As brutal as that. You can see it goes quite powdery. In a wee minute, son. So as you can see, it kind of goes like that. Bitty. So now what we need to do is get the natural yogurt. I'm going to see if that binds it. Gram flour's quite, I don't know, gram flour's quite dry and absorbent. So you can see it's starting to come together a little bit. I'm just going to put a little bit more. That's spices. They're hot, hot, hot. So that's the kind of consistency. Thank you. Always an appreciative audience. So that's the kind of consistency I would be going for. So it doesn't fall off.
It's not hot. It's not hot. It's not.
Good. And I'd be putting in about that much there into deep fat. Sunflower oil usually. Alright?